Hey everyone, how's it going? Justin back here with you guys. Gonna do a little casting today. So, hang out, comment, like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. We have more stuff coming. Currently looking for somewhere to try to cast an anthill. The only issue is a lot of the ground around here is like DG. And very hard to dig, so we're trying to locate somewhere that we can, and then also being in Southern California, fire danger, so we're trying to do it legal and probably see if we can go and find somewhere and talk to the fire department, city, whatever, and don't want to cause issues and problems. So we'll update you and hopefully have a video of casting an anthill coming soon. Until then, let's get into the video. We're getting ready to set up a casting today. Did a cannon and a bell, and then the same cannon I've done before. Try it again. The last one was just, they weren't dry enough. It was too cold out. Now it's in the 80s now, so should be good. So I'll get going, get these things filled up, and we'll hopefully get them poured next weekend. I'll do a time lapse of this because this is just something quick and easy. So catch you when we get ready to pour. What is going on? We're casting today. We have the furnace going, and the stuff's already, all the molds are already been burned out. So we're getting ready to pour. So we're gonna bring you guys along on this adventure. Hopefully we end up with a cannon and a bell today. Mold sat for almost 2 weeks. There shouldn't have been any moisture, so the problems with the last one should hopefully be resolved. So we will see. Jimmy's here, or Roof, and he's gonna be filming while I pour. So let's get after it. failed.
Huh.
Started coming up the vent. And you see the vent stops right there, probably not enough. There's an air bubble there. Right there too.
Oh. Son of a...
Oh well, live and learn. This flask will be interesting to get out of here.
Good burnout. Come on, bell. Ring the bell.
I'm gonna miss part of it, but whatever. I'm not gonna work with it. If it's what I think's missing. Braze something on it. Come on. I did get a bell though. Yeah. A little short of it. No.
Doesn't want to come out.
Permanent fixture.
Yeah.
Blew out a little bit. That's why we're getting that red ring. But I should be able to salvage it.
That's half the fun, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so it wasn't supposed to go that wide, huh?
No, it should have stopped right here.
Oof.
But there's a bell hidden in there. Yeah, it should have stopped. Should have stopped probably about right there. Okay, hope you liked the video. Obviously, didn't go as planned. The cannon, let's start there. As you can see, has really bad porosity. Didn't fill all the way. And I was sitting there over the past couple days thinking about it since then. And this was one of the first cannons I cast. I mean, you can tell what it is. Haven't fired it, but well, one day. The only thing different is this one was poured this way as far as putting the metal into it. Very similar on the vents, but this one, the metal was poured into it this way, because we changed some of the stuff we were using. Could that be it? Don't know. But as far as investment casting goes, that'll probably be one of the last times I do anything with plaster. Probably gonna switch over to sand because I want to get into some bigger stuff, and just thermally it's hard to do larger things with investment, because if a part of it is closer to the sidewall, it's going to heat up faster and might start gassing off, and that's what happened to the bell. The bell itself, the surface finish inside too is actually really nice, but because of the diameter and its proximity to the edge of the flask, the plastic expanded there first, and actually because you're at 1200 degrees, the investment actually isn't fully attached to the stainless. So when it expands, then the plastic starts gassing off and melting. It expands and actually cracked the mold right there, and that's why we ended up with the blowout right around the edge. I'm going to see if I can put it in the lathe at work and clean that up, and then clean all the vents and stuff off of it and gates, and see if I can polish it up and just make a mount for it. And I think that one I can save. The cannon obviously lost cause. That'll get remelted and probably poured down that hill. But we're in the video here. Until next time, create world. Let's have fun. Learn something new. Try something. I mean, you fail, you just found a way not to do it, and make changes and keep going until you get it right. But create world. Till the next one. Have fun.